In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the default font size in Outlook for new emails and for when you reply and forward emails. This can be really useful if you prefer a different text size that makes reading and writing emails more comfortable for you. There are two ways you can adjust the font size settings in Outlook, and I'll guide you through both methods to make sure you can find what's most suitable for your needs. First, let's dive into the first method. Start by opening your favorite browser and heading over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once there, you need to click on the Sign In button, which you'll usually find on the top right corner of the page. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password, and proceed by clicking Next. Now, you should find yourself on your Outlook dashboard. To begin, navigate over to the top left corner of the screen and click on Create New Mail. This will open up the email composition window. Here, you can start typing your email in the mail body area. Once you're done writing, or if you have some text to experiment with, go ahead and highlight the text. Once highlighted, navigate to the Message tab where you should find various options for formatting your text. Look for the font size settings. It's usually represented by a small drop-down menu, allowing you to change the size of your text. This method changes the font size for the email you are currently drafting. Now, let's explore the second method for adjusting font sizes, which lets you change the default settings for all outgoing emails, including replies and forwarded messages. In your Outlook dashboard, take a look at the top right corner for a gear icon. This is the settings icon. Give it a click. From there, navigate to the Mail section and then click on Layout. This is where you can configure the appearance of your emails. As you scroll through the layout options, keep an eye out for the section labeled Text Size and Spacing. This is where you can make global changes to how the text appears in all your emails. Adjust the text size to your liking, and this will ensure that all future emails will adopt the size you've set here, making it consistent every time you compose, reply, or forward an email. So there you have it, a straightforward walkthrough on how to change the default font size in Outlook for both individual emails and for setting a default size for all your future correspondence. Whether you choose to manually adjust each email as you write it or set a consistent default size for all your emails, both methods are simple and effective in making your Outlook experience more tailored to your preferences. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!